Hi, I'm Angel. I'm gonna do my 100 any rep challenge standing on my head, as I often do these days. I'm on day 11 of a 100-day fitness challenge. You can find that group over on Facebook if you're interested. And yeah. Anyway, I thought I would share, hopefully to inspire you to give yourself a little bit more love today. Maybe push the boundaries of what you think you can do. Your body's probably more amazing than you think. I find most bodies are. And they get more amazing the more you do with them. That's a cool thing. Whew, I feel a little queasy today. It's a good time to remind you don't have to wear any special outfit or even stand on your head or do anything specific to take better care of yourself, to give yourself a little bit more love. It's about listening to your own body, checking in with yourself, setting goals, showing up regularly. It's a process. Giving my legs just a little bit of stretching out before I start my 100 any reps. I can't see if I'm in frame, so I'm just hoping that I am. Maybe one of these days I will up my camera game. I'm working on that, actually. It's in the works. 98, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 90, 89, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I can't point my toes or they hit the wall. 87, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 80, 79, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 70, 69, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Says that 59, 60, 59, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 50, 49, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 40. 49. I think I did that already. 38, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 30, 29, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 30, 29, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. When in doubt, do extra, I like to say. And there we have it. Quick and sweaty 100 any reps. I don't know if that was under 2 minutes. I think it was with the reps. What do you think? Let me know. Anyway, make sure and love yourself a little bit more today because you're worth it. Let me know how you're doing in the comments because I like to know. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe and check out the description if you want to find ways of supporting me. Until next time, stay